All right, bicep curls with a plate. Doesn't matter what kind of plate you have. If you got those big ones with handles, that's fine. If you got no handles, that's fine too. The thing with these is that your elbows are gonna be slightly out in front compared to all the other curls that we do. So wherever they start, like in this position, the weight's resting against my legs, my arms are straight, my elbows are slightly in front. I'm gonna leave them there as opposed to bringing them in, leave them out in front, and then bring that weight up till it almost touches your neck and bring it back down. So we're staying under tension the whole time during this exercise. This is getting your shoulders a little bit more, and it's also getting your core involved.